Would you like to grow your hair faster? Would you? Perfect. See what I did to help my hair grow in the last 7 days. This worked for me and I believe it's going to work for you. Watch till the end to find out how my hair turned out looking like. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. In today's video, we're going to make clove water and ginger, and I've been using this for the last 7 days and I am amazed by the results I got on my 4C hair. So you're going to need clove, ginger and water. So you're going to rinse off the clove just to make sure it is actually clean, and also you're going to blend the ginger, or you're going to just ground them, then you extract the juice from it. Then we're going to also learn the importance of cloves and also ginger to our hair. Then you're going to boil it for 10 minutes just to extract the juice from the clove. Then you're going to let it sit for 20 minutes or maybe 10 minutes again, just to make sure it is cold enough to put in your hair. I believe you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also you can join the family. So I'm just going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Then here we go. This is my first day using this clove, and you can see actually my hairline, the way my hairline is. So I'm going to show you the way my hairline and actually my hair was by the end of day 7. Watch till the end to find out how my hairline was actually by the end of day 7. So what are some of the benefits of cloves to our hair? So cloves contain high level of antioxidant and nutrient that leads to hair growth. And so you want to spray it in your hair, but you want to focus on your scalp. You want to make sure you massage your scalp after spraying the clove water and ginger. This was day 2, and also I just want to remind you to focus on your scalp, as massaging your scalp helps with blood flow, hence also help with hair growth. So another importance of clove water is that it contains anti-inflammatory agent, which further helps with hair thickening. Actually, you'll actually see how my hair will be at the end of this video. You also want to oil your scalp, as oiling the scalp helps to increase moisture and also add shine to the hair. Well, this is day 5 of using clove water and ginger, and you can actually spot the visible growth. I had actually started using these on a fresh mini braids, so you can actually see the other parts also has significant growth. I had actually lost my hairline when I gave birth some months ago, so I'm actually still trying to grow them back. So this clove water has actually helped me to grow them more and more. And also, you don't want to ignore any part of your hair. Make sure you focus on your scalp. Another importance of using gloves on your hair is that it has vitamin K, which actually helps with blood circulation, which results in stimulating hair growth. It treats dandruffs and flakes. It also relieves the itchiness associated with it due to anti-inflammatory properties. So this is a very good stuff for your hair. Well, this is day 7 and I'm still going in strong. So I'm still focusing on my scalp and also I'm spraying my hair. So you can see my hairline, it has actually really grown, and I believe my other parts of the hair has actually grown. So I can actually see them because I had done this on a freshly mini braid, but I can see the growth already. We also used ginger. Ginger is a rich source of zinc and also essential vitamin that keep the hair strong and also promotes hair growth. This was day 8 and you can see how much growth I had with this protective style. So I'm just going to wash my hair. I'm actually trying to show you. I don't know if you are seeing the growth I had. My camera is not doing me justice. So it's actually my wash day. So I'm going to wash my hair and this is the results of how my hair ended up looking like, and also you can see how my hairline are. You can actually see the visible growth. So I will actually be doing, or I will be incorporating Cloves water in my hair. It made my hair grow and my hair became even thicker and very very strong. So this is the front of my hair, and also I just want to show you how the back of my hair also looks like. And this is my fussy crown. I really love it. It's so nice and lovely. Clove water really helped my hair to grow. Please go and try this and let me know in the comment section below how your hair felt like and also how your hair came out looking like after using the Clove. So this is how much growth you can see from my front. It feels so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscription box below. Then I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.